back to the man cave. Now I know it's been a while, but I have been busy. So what I've been doing is I've been upgrading the cave. I've been redoing my studio. So I've got a brand new camera. I've moved things around a bit just to give me a little bit more recording space, and I've also upgraded my PC. I figured it was time to put the Windows XP machine to bed. It was cracking on a bit. It had a good life. So what I've done, I've upgraded to Windows 10. So what I will do in a later video, I will show you all around that system. But for now, let's make a video today. So in a recent visit to my local retro game store, so I picked up this. So this is the Retro Arcade Build Your Own Ping Pong Game by Haynes. So it's a simple little kit that you've got to build yourself. It's not expert, but you do need to be able to solder to do this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to build this on camera, and hopefully at the end of it all it's going to work. So let's get it unboxed and let's get it built. Okay, so this is what you get as part of the kit. So what have we got? Little battery holder, some wire, so the actual circuit board and game screen itself, some twiddly knobs and all the fixtures and fittings for them. So I'll be totally honest, there isn't a great deal to this kit. There's a little bit of plastic which serves as a screen, and I believe these have got something to do with the coin slot. So let's get set up, get prepped, and then I can start soldering. Okay, so I've stripped and prepared the wires according to the manual. So what have we got? So we have got two 15cm wires, a 12 and a 3. So actual assembly, what I believe is using the plastic insert, you've got to actually build it in the box. So you've got everything there you need for your build. The next is just to prepare the wires by sticking just a little bit of solder on them. expecting this to make any noise. That is power. Right then. Oh my god, that works. Awesome. Scoring. So from what I can gather is every time we score, these lights get more and more and more. But last thing to do is to fit the screen. Ta-da! You know what, I am relatively impressed with that. I paid a tenner for it. And you know what, that's not bad. I've had a decent half hour of fun building that. So, just grab a coin. Got no idea, it says 10p, but you know, I don't care. Yeah. Pong.
Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to support me, then smash that like button, hit that subscriber button as if your life depended on it, and enjoy my other content. For now, see you later. Bye.